Air layering is a propagation technique that allows you to make a clone of a plant. It offers many benefits over other propagation methods, including improved success rate, achieving a mature plant more quickly, and successfully propagating otherwise hard to propagate plants. The air layering method is particularly good for propagating trees, hardwood shrubs, and vines and roses. Over the last 10 years, I have successfully propagated by air layering fig trees and grapevines, and have optimised my method for the more extreme climates of London. Last summer, I decided to attempt to air layer the huge Hebe I have in my front garden. Using 2 split plastic bottles filled with soil and moss and sealed with cling film and tape, these bottles have been left in place for 10 months. I completely forgot about them until last month when I returned to the Hebe in the corner of the garden and saw the 2 bottles once again. On closer inspection, I noticed the bottles were bursting with roots, indicating that the air layering process has been extremely successful. So I decided now is the time to cut these free and pot them up. Having lopped the twin branches off from the parent plant, we pick up the action with me trimming some of the foliage. The goal here is to take off all tips and approximately 80% of the leaves. This is done to remove the load on the new roots, which will be sustaining the new plants. Too heavy a load in terms of leaves and flowers on the top will overstress the plant, and eventually it will die before it has enough time to develop enough roots to sustain the growth of the plant. The growth inertia of any plant will eventually run out, by which time there has to be a strong enough root system in place to sustain the plant and any new growth. Now it's time to unpack the first branch from its air layer bottle. Remove the tape and cling film and then split the plastic bottle. As you can see here, the roots are impressively thick. This branch is so thick I had to use my big loppers to cut it free. However, the air layer is a great success, and all that remains now is to pot this up. For the second plant, having removed the bottle, I decided to simply leave the stump connected and bury that in the potting up. The final plants are good, but I'm not too happy with the way the branches stick out. I expect as these plants grow new branches closer to the centre stem, I'll lop off these original side branches and allow new leaders to dominate. It'll be interesting to see how these develop over the coming years. Thank you for watching. See you next time.